Hey everybody, quick weekend update. Working on the Mustang. I decided to try to tackle this the tubular control arm and K Member by myself. And as you can see, it is in. Motor mounts are tightened up, all good to go there. And the K Member is bolted down. Got the struts all back in and the brakes, everything here. I do have a manual rack I'm going to put in and measure it, but the main thing I wanted to show is there's a lot more clearance down here around the oil pan, as most people already know, but just if you needed an idea. And this is the AJE. I got it just because I have the Summit card, and I can just make a couple payments and pay it off, no interest. So I try to get most of my stuff from Summit. And this was the one they had decent reviews. I don't think it's the lightest one out there, but it's certainly lighter than this stock one. I did weigh them both. This thing is about almost 80 pounds. That's not including the steering rack, just for the K Member and the A arms. And this one here was 47 pounds. So pretty significant savings, and should be even lighter. I got the power steering pump to take off also, and I'm working on the getting ready to do the manual rack now. Just gotta tighten up these A arms, and I think I'm done with this portion of it. The steering rack, go get a short belt to bypass the power steering, and I'll be back on the road ready for Wednesday night. Hopefully we can beat our 12.5 time. All right.